Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this low carb lasagna, just keep on watching, you guys. It was so cheesy, so delicious, and so seasoned, and it didn't even have any salt in it, and then it was low carb. Let's get right into it. So first I'm going to start with a skillet. Well, this is actually a cast iron skillet, and it actually has olive oil in there. I'm going to go ahead and cook this Italian sausage with those seasonings. Now keep in mind, on the video I may not say how much the seasoning I put in there, but all the directions will be in the comment section down below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season this meat. I like to season with love, but keep in mind with this one, before y'all come for me, this one right here does not have any sodium in it. So there's no sodium in there, it's just seasoning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this Italian sausage. Now that my Italian sausage is browned, I'm going to go ahead and grease my cooking pan. So right here, I'm just using the extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to grease the bottom of the pan. I'm just going to go ahead and add my Italian sausage on there. Now keep in mind, I did go ahead and cook some ground turkey, and I seasoned it the same way that I seasoned my Italian sausage. And I'm just going to add both of those to the pan, and then I'm just going to spread it evenly. Here I'm using this homemade marinara. This one right here was like the lowest carb that I can find in the grocery store, so it's really good. It doesn't have too much sugar in there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread that. I'm gonna mix this very well. I'm trying to get every piece of meat, making sure that everything has coated with that marinara, and I'm just gonna stir this up and mix it up. Now, because that marinara didn't have any seasoning in it, I'm just going to add some pepper into my mixture here, just to give it some more seasoning. Like I said, just because that marinara didn't have any seasoning. Now that I have all of that mixed well together, I'm going to go ahead and add my mozzarella cheese, you guys. So this is just shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to spread it throughout the whole pan and try to get it evenly, but you know, sometimes you may not be perfect, but it's all good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Like I told you guys, this is so cheesy. Like, it was just amazing. And then on top, the recipe did tell me to go ahead and add the seasonings. Now, the recipe I got from Pinterest, this is all the seasoning they said to put in there. They didn't say to season the meat, but I will leave the link to the Pinterest one if you don't like your food as seasoned as I do. So this is the only season it tells you to put in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the seasoning on top of it, and I'm going to go ahead and bake it, you guys, and then show you what it looks like. All right, here's the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do decide to try it out, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.